line voltage when we are having neutral cut.
Yes,
and it's left.
yes, the one that you climb the pole to do.
Yeah.
Do you know I told the customer that it is very important that you see the pole in the compound,
Yeah.
we'll bury an X.
Sure.
So we connect the neutral to the ground so that in case, because when you look at the ECG line, it is the only one that has a diversion to his house.
Sure.
And there are tracks passing under that particular line. Anytime I talk any tracks, load anything, and then it hooks the distance and it cuts. His house will be affected. He's the only one on that line. I told him. So I was arguing with me. Do you understand? So I have to explain again.
And maybe because sometimes it will not cut, but it will shake. So it will be a
Exactly. So that is just value. So this our work. It's not just about I'm pulling the cable. My worry, there are a lot of technicalities in it. That let me give you a quick example. This happened 3 days ago. The Adenta Zoom, the Adenta site, the one close to the top team. The customer called me that the mason was passing somewhere and then in some time they were there. So I thought about the thing. I said, okay, no problem, I'll come there. So I went there. When I got there, when I test that side of the apartment, when I test any socket with the distance, you see a shock, you see light, power in the tester. That side of the apartment. So I went to open the main switch and I checked in the main switch. The same thing there. Now, am I going to start to remove all the sockets? That will not solve the problem. So what did I do? I used my experience. You understand? Do you know that all the socket fix was okay, but one of you, when you were fixing the socket, the screw, had contact with the power cable. Just one of them, and it has affected all of the socket there. So I just disconnected that, and then all the problems got solved. So it is not a matter of I'm just even screwing the things. You also have to make sure that behind it, screw a better cable, not a cable. You have to always put that in mind. Is that okay? Enough for this evening or this morning. Everybody get back to your post.